Hello TheNewsclubbers, meet the nothing-phone 2, the smartphone that doesn't just want to compete, it wants to stand out with its transparent design and unique Glyph interface. This phone is unlike anything else in the market, but is it just hype or does it really deliver? Let's break it down. The first thing you notice is, of course, the design. The transparent back gives you a futuristic, almost sci-fi vibe. You can literally see the parts of the hardware inside. Then there's the Glyph interface. Those LED light patterns on the back, they are not just for looks. They can notify you of calls, messages, charging status, and even sync with your ringing tones. On the front, you get a 6.7-inch OLED display with 120Hz refresh rate, bright, smooth, and perfect for gaming or binge watching. Inside, the nothing-phone 2 is powered by Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 processor. It's not the absolute latest chip, but it's still powerful enough for everything from gaming to multitasking. Paired up to 12GB of RAM, this phone is more than capable of handling daily tasks without lag. Now, let's talk cameras. On the back, you get a 50-megapixel dual camera setup. The main sensor takes grips, detailed shots, even in low light, while the ultra-wide lens captures more of the scene. From the front camera is 32 megapixels, so your selfies and video calls are crystal clear. It's not trying to beat Samsung's Super Zoom, but for most users, it's more than enough. The battery comes in at 4700 mAh, which comfortably lasts a full day. Fast charging at 45 watts and wireless charging are supported, so you don't have to worry about being stuck with a dead phone. On the software side, you get Nothing OS 2.0 based on Android 13. It's clean, minimal, and feels refreshing compared to bloatware heavy phones out there. So, is this nothing-phone 2 worth your money? If you're tired of the same iPhone and Samsung designs, this phone offers something different: a fresh look, solid performance, and a unique experience with those Glyph lights. The only downsides: it's not the absolute best in raw power or camera zoom, but for people who want a phone that turns heads, this one delivers. Would you switch to a nothing-phone 2 or stick with iPhone or Samsung? Comment your choice below and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the News Club for more tech reviews.